Good morning. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, or I should say our channel. Yeah, so this is a new day. Thanks be to God, we're alive and well, and yeah, in good health. It's a blessing. So I'm just going to do a bit unboxing, show you what, not unboxing, yeah, show you a bit of what I get after Christmas sale. Went the day after Christmas, which is Boxing Day, to catch the sale, Carrie and I, but it was later in the day, probably late afternoon. Yeah, something like that. Went to Hobby Lobby, everything was actually gone. I couldn't believe it. And every year I try to catch this after Christmas sale, which I'm looking mostly for Christmas decor. But I realize I have to go early in the morning. Dan always tell me that every year, and every year I miss out. I just get the scraps. I wanted to go to Target, but I was like, it doesn't even really matter because if I go to Target, it's probably out anyway. And I went to Burlington. Burlington was out of Christmas decor. There wasn't anything left. Nothing. So Hobby Lobby, Burlington, and then I went to TJ Maxx. It was the 28th or the 27th, something like that, 28th, and everything was literally gone. So I just pick up a few things that was left. Go early in the morning when the store is opening, so you can catch it. If you go later in the day, it's all gone. But Dan was at works, but thankfully Carrie come and her and I went to the shops to get a few things. But as I said, there wasn't really anything there. So I'm just going to show you a bit of what I pick up. Some are not Christmas decor, it's just things that I'm going to be using around the house to decorate because I clear everything out. My house is back in its place from all the Christmas decor and it just feel light and airy, but I want it to feel a bit cozy. I don't want it to just feel open. The house literally look like when we just moved here, downstairs especially. So I kind of want to bring that warm coziness back in. I left a few things out that I'm going to show you, the like the bells and a few little reindeers, the small ones. But I have a few things here that I'm going to use to decorate my house, the after Christmas decor, and just get the house back up and looking like a home, but more so wintry and cozy because we're not in spring and I don't want the house to look springy, just light and airy. My bedroom already look like that. I'm not going to change it, but downstairs you get to see that. I'm not sure, probably in this video. Yeah, I do it in this video, so you get to see that in a bit what the home is going to look like. But anyway, shall we open these bags so I can show you? So I pick up a few things at TJ Maxx, and I'm going to go through the TJ Maxx bottom first. Quite a few amount of bars from TJ Maxx. And look at this. Look at this. This is kind of like a rustic, I'm not sure, more like a rustic vase. I like all the details and it's handcrafted in Mexico. I wish they had a bigger one because I wanted that big old one, but I like this one and I don't have much small vase as this. Most of my vase, they're big, and so I like this one. I like the texture, and I think this, looking at it, I think it's probably made of clay. Yeah, just looking at it, this is what this vase is looking like. I am liking it. So for the next vase, this is my absolute favorite. I like this a lot. And this, I think this is of clay as well. I think that's what it is. But I like this one, and for this I can use it in the springtime. I don't think I'm going to use this one now because I'm liking the blue mostly for like spring, but it can also use in the winter time. Actually throughout the whole year. But for this one, I think I might put it down and wait for springtime. I like this one so much. Vase, they're so reasonable at TJ Maxx. I couldn't believe my eyes. They're reasonable. I get this white vase and I'm liking this one. Are you okay? This one, I really like this a lot. You can see that. I really like this one. This candle holder. So I like this candle holder. And I have an idea of where I want to put it. As I said, I'm going to be using candles because we're still in winter. That cozy feel for the house. So I like this candle holder. And I have some candles that I will be using in them, mostly neutral, or you know, the neutral color that goes well with fall. And I pick up some of those from Hobby Lobby. You get to see them in a bit. Simple pillow that I saw at Burlington. There wasn't any. I think they had about 4 pillows left, so I just get this one. I like it. It's just a simple pillow, nothing much to it. And I can put this down for next Christmas by the grace of God. This from Burlington as well. This can also be used in the fall, so I'm not going to use this anytime now. This is for Christmas. Find this in a Christmas sale as well. Definitely use this for the autumn season as well. Let me just get it. It was reasonable, just for $5 on sale. And I wish they had more, but this was the only thing left. I'm telling you, Burlington was totally out. It was just ridiculous. I can't believe how early people go to the store, because it wasn't like we went in the nighttime. It was just late afternoon and everything was gone. Things that I have now is going to be from Hobby Lobby. And I picked up quite a few amount of things. I like this, and I have an idea of where I'm going to put this. So this is so nice, black and gold, and I'm definitely using this to decorate. Probably I'm going to use it with the after Christmas decor, but I do like it. Artwork, and these are all from Hobby Lobby as well. So I pick up some painting. And I don't know, I just like these neutral painting, and I don't know, I like these canvases because they can use around the home and blend easily, and they were pretty much on sale. I think they're like $4 and $3 each. So this one, I like this a lot with the sheaves. I really do like this one. So I am going to definitely use these around the house. And then I have this painting with the llama. So yeah, Hobby Lobby, can't believe they have all these ridiculous sales. These were 75% off. So this is the llama painting. It's so cute. Oh my god. So these as well are from Hobby Lobby. And this one, I know I can put this somewhere. You know, I just pick up the paintings because I know I can use them around the house, but it's missing. I just realized it's missing the hook, but that can easily be fixed because I think it was just like $3, so it's okay. I really like this one. I was looking for a bit more of this, but they didn't have any more. This was the only one. Oh, I forgot this. I bought a straw cup for Alexandra. I totally forgot me. But these, I have 2 of these. You know what? So lucky I forgot to have them because I went to Hobby Lobby day before yesterday and I picked up 2 of them, and I'm like, wait a minute, did I get 2 of them? I couldn't quite remember, and then I just put it back and I said, just in case I have them already at home, because I didn't want to rebuy them, but I said if I don't have them, then I'll come back. But thank God. So I have 2 of these. These are, I think, what do you call it? Bookend holder. I think that's what it's called. I bought 2 of them, and these are going to come pretty handy. I was looking for like the white ones, but they didn't have any white ones, so this is it. I think they call mason jars, so they can store anything, but for me, I think I'm going to store like some spices, some seasoning in them. So these are just 4. I wanted to get some more, but they didn't have any more. This was the only set they had. Bit of things from Bath and Body Works, just some man stuff, body wash and all of that for that. I don't need anything for woman, but I think there's quite a few things for that, and I'm going to sort them out. It's a cute clock. I don't remember where I get this from because this is out of the bag. I remember Alexandra took it out of one of the bags. I think it was at TJ Maxx or Burlington. This looks like a Burlington sticker, so it might be Burlington. So this is a nice little clock, and I'm going to add some battery to it in a bit. Christmas selection. So Hobby Lobby have this, and I wish they had a lot more, but they were all gone, and they were 2 tiny ones. I should have just gotten them. Yeah, because Kara was saying I should get them, but they kind of break, and I wanted some more percentage off. Oh my gosh. But I have this one, and this one is the bigger one. I'm not even going to pull it out because I don't want them to break. Yeah, I don't want them to break. I just want them to keep safe because I'm going to store them for the next Christmas. So I'm not even going to open the other one. What is this? Oh, Hobby Lobby. So I think these are the candles. I'm going to use these candles. So I get these. They're neutral. I'm going to show them to you up close in a bit. Candles, quite neutral, and I like them a lot. So they're not loud. I also have some black ones so I can mix and match a bit. So I have here this little bowl, and I bought this black bowl because I have an idea of where I want to put this. I was looking for some bigger ones, but they didn't have like the bigger ones on sale. The bigger ones were a bit liquor higher, and I didn't want to spend that money, but this was about 4 something, so this is not bad, and I can use this for something. I really like this a lot. Hobby Lobby are just these popcorn, what do you call them? Popcorn garland. So this is just some popcorn garland. I purchased about 4 of these. No, we have to wash that. And then...
It's water. It's water.
Yeah.
It's down there.
Wait. And then I... Stop it.
Yeah.
And then I purchased these donuts garland. And this would be more like for Danielle or Alexandra for Christmas. These are all in the Christmas section. I thought to purchase these in Hobby Lobby. They're actually 90% off. So I'm like... There's nothing really left to be 9% off. So these are some orange and cinnamon, yeah, garland as well. So these are going to be put away to be stored with the other Christmas things. Go ahead. So this is the garland from TJ Maxx. I like this a lot. I think I might use it because it kind of look wintry without too much Christmassy. I think I might use that for my fireplace as well. I like these reindeer. I get 2 of them. As you see, the foot is broken, but it was my fault. I had the vase on it in the card, so it kind of break it, but I have the foot, so I'm going to glue it. I get these as well. I have 2 of them. And this is the other reindeer. I'm going to try and make sure I don't break them. So I'm just going to wrap them properly so they can be stored safe. I just get this Christmas decor. I don't know what it's called, but it's just like a figurine, just like the deer is a figurine for me. And so, yeah, this is it. I might keep this out as well. This figurine, yeah, for my mantle, just to kind of keep that winter feel going on because we're still in winter. I think for all of this, I'm going to clean these up, pack up all the Christmas stuff away, and keep out what I'm going to use to decorate for now, the after Christmas, and also for spring. So I just won't pack everything away, just the Christmas things. Now for this wreath, I'm going to leave it out because I think I need something at my fireplace, and I'm going to definitely use this.